Ka Office u District Sports Officer West Giant Hills, ringkat ke Office u Block Development Officer Tatlasken Block, kelas dang ya karensan penisap jungi kun samla, ya kabalatip kum ka Block Level Chief Minister Youth Engagement Program 2025. Ya kan karensan penisap baars ni, lapelong hakiang nangba Government College Auditorium Juwai, haka laipo tarik pat laipoi tarik Rizal. Da ka jing tmu ban penslori ka jinga shimbenta shurhem jogi samla ling baki kam baper bala pelong hakini ki arsngi shibenta jong ka program la pelong ru ka jing pensungu tho pat ba hakaba uma lambor suchen Skill Development Officer West Giant Hills ula penpawi ka jing shim kya jong ka sarkar jela kabadang ya shakman ban penkok bor berkentiawi ki samla Ula banjur baka sarkar kala pli ki kattu kani ki program ki batmu ban pli ya ki lat yo kam yo jam ban kentiu ya ka kam seng jam bat ban a jihi kai ban kentiu ki sap ki phong na ka benta ki samla hakeleng ki jula Ula kedo shu baka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society kadi ka weni ki flagship balashna kerpang ban kentiu ya ka jingla ban yo kam baka jing tibet jong ki samla Program ka ajihi kai hakaliang ka jing start Kajing penyat yang kakam, berkajing kershan, ban sengkam sengjam, ban nyarap iki samla ban teye kalaway ke bas camp. Hakas ngis dang ki samla ki layashim benta hai kajing ako baper, kabakan tuk nadu kajing ako ruwai ten rai, jing drodor, kajing tok kana, ki poetry, bak kajing elek kai pen bernya, kabapen iya kajing riu spa hakakol shore bat ki sapas dor jing ki samla. Shwaya kani umak robok pasa District Sports Officer West Giant Hills ula ai ko blaya baro ki samlai ki bala shimkya banya shimbenta ha ki jingya ko pa arsngi
looking at her like that. She's just pretending. Ooh, that old woman.
Mom.
Just to take rest. She's sleeping like that. Why you bother that much? Yeah, I'm not bother that much. I'm just sitting.
Mom, are you a husband of Mrs. Margaret?
Yes, doctor. What happened?
Oh, so sorry to tell you about her. She's suffering from congestive heart failure.
Huh? Is that true? Are you just make me shocked or what?
No, it's true. I advised her to take a proper rest. No, but she defended you all and she said her family means so much to her. And she now here, lifeless, and leaving you all with love. So, if I were you, I would have been grateful to have such a great mother.
Margaret, why do you feel